Hey, welcome viewers, it's Premier here from Thinglish Lifestyle, and today we're going to do an unboxing of our Melanger. And Melanger is French for Melanger. So, without further ado, this has been held up in customs, Thai customs. It comes from America. We bought it from a company called Melanger.com, and amazing service. Literally, they sent it out the next day as soon as I ordered, and I think it was in Thailand within 2 or 3 days. Fantastic. And then you get held up in Thai customs. And you can see they opened the box and everything else, and then they extorted loads of money out of me so I could get it. That took a best part of a week. Yeah, we've got it now. So, we'll see what we've got. Hopefully it's all in one piece. Weighs an absolute ton. So, what is a Melanger? If you're asking, what the hell is he on about? It's crazy. Well, a Melanger is, well, let me show you. Basically, it's what crushes the cacao bean into a nice superfine paste of about 20 microns. So the chocolate is super smooth on your tongue. If you don't have one of these and you make it by hand, the chocolate will feel like eating sand because you can't get the beans into small enough particles, basically. So 20 microns is super small, makes the chocolate taste super silky on the tongue, and also you get a really nice finish as well. So this thing will run for about 24 hours once you've got the chocolate in it. I'm just going to unbox it now. It's pretty high. Now this is a Melanger that actually takes it all well. Certainly boxed up well. Can't complain about that. So, bubble wrap. I'm not going to burst that because this bubble wrap was probably made in China. So it's got Chinese air in it, so it may contain coronavirus. Who knows? So we've got an instruction manual. Beautiful piece of foam. Okay, there's the top of the Melanger. If you want to come in here, you can see the wheels. We've got a little cup there, a plastic cup. Don't know what that is. So that's the top. So let's do 2 piles, one with the good stuff and one with the packaging. So these wheels are, I think there's some sort of, they're stone, obviously stone wheels, maybe some kind of marble. They're quite abrasive actually. But basically, you pour the chocolate into this machine when I get it out of here. So packed in nicely. Comes with 4 Swiss rolls, so plenty sweet later on.
Yeah, for you.
I'm actually gonna, I won't be able to pull it out from here, so I'm gonna actually put it back down on the chair. It's too high and too heavy for me to pull out. So. Actually, here we go. Let's get it on the table. Right. This guy is over there.
Yes.
Luggage. Now, as I say, I ordered this from the US. Couldn't find one in Thailand. But this is called a Premier Malanger. And it's what many chocolate makers, even the chocolate makers I know in Thailand, actually use this. The beauty about this one, this is like, this has a pour facility on it. So it's actually on a pivot. It's tight. So, anyway, this is not a pivot, but it's super tight here. It's a little tight. We go now. Press down to release. Still pretty tough. Oh, there we go. Okay, so there we go. So it's on a pivot, so you can see it's on a. It's really well made. It's really tough. I can see it already. So we're on this metal frame, and it actually twists over, so we can pour the chocolate out. So how this actually works is, let's pull it back up, and it locks back in place. Beautiful. Okay, let's get more packaging to come out. Loads of packaging to come out. Really good job on this. I'm impressed. I'm not easily impressed. And spatula. I'll keep that. Right. And there's more packaging at the bottom there, but I need to probably take the whole thing out to get that out. So basically what happens is this rotates, chocolates go around there, the wheels are going this way, and there's a pressure going down. So as you pour the kind of like, you know, main sort of gooey chocolate into here, it's then ground down, and you actually leave it anywhere between 12 and 24 hours. The story actually behind this, how this was actually made, is that there's a Swiss company called Lindt chocolate brand, a well-known chocolate brand, I can't even say it, and they had a rudimentary kind of machine like this, and they forgot to turn it off all night. So when they did come back into their kitchen in the morning, it was still running, but then they realised the chocolate was super smooth. So hence their company built up to one of the biggest chocolate companies in the world, and everyone uses a Melanger. So that's how it all came about. So yeah, so this is pretty cool. So once the chocolate has been in there for 24 hours and it's been ground, and it's a super silky, beautiful liquid chocolate, then it needs to pour, and we hit this button here, we can pour that out, pour it out further, just helps get all the chocolate out. And then we can go into the next stage of making the chocolate, which is not far off finishing by then. But yeah, this machine is really good. I bought this as well. This is buying it from the States. They are 110 volts. In Thailand we're 220 volts. So this model is actually made for 220 volts. Otherwise I'd have to get a transformer, and I'm a bit dubious about using the transformers, and you know, maybe they're not too great and things like that, and actually clear these modes out. So I have the same issue with something else we've just ordered, and that is, what else we ordered? I don't know. Okay, so the other thing we ordered, again from the States, because I couldn't get it anywhere else, was a Champion juicer. So it's a really old school juicer, really heavy duty, and a lot of people use them to make chocolate at home. So we're just starting off to make chocolate, bean to bar chocolate, or tree to bar chocolate. We've got trees, just been walking around our trees now, they're growing really well. And some of our trees back at our home are actually got pods coming on there for like about a month, so another 6 months before we get any pods from there. But anyway, so we're going to have this Champion juicer when it arrives sometime next week, and that will be 220 volts again. I found another company in the US that would send out to Thailand, and they do 220 volt. Again, I couldn't find one anywhere else, just about anywhere else 110 in the States. So if you look hard enough, you can find these things. Cost them absolutely for it. Actually costs more to send them and get them through export and customs than it actually does to purchase the actual product. But hey ho, we have to do these things. It's all part of the cost. So we're getting there. So with our chocolate process, we've got trees growing. We've actually bought some beans. We bought 1 or 2 kilos of beans the other day. Was at another video. They smell good. So we've got some beans here. It was the last bag they had, so we just thought we'd buy these beans, keep them here, keep them in a airtight container, and then we will start playing around with them and start developing chocolate ideas. There's not much there, you're getting the chocolate out of that little box there, but it's a start, and at the end of this month we're going to go back and buy a lot more, and then we can. Well, they're dry, so they're ready to go. So yeah, so we're getting there. We've got the other side of this wall is our little lab where we're going to be making the chocolate. We've got egg conditioning in there now, which we didn't have a couple of weeks ago. So we're getting there, and we're soon going to be able to make some chocolate. And the brand's going to be called Anarchy Chocolate. So and our tagline is peace, love, and chocolate. So look out for that, and we'll keep. We've actually got a website as well called anarchychocolate.com. So we've just been working on that. It's kind of like a separate little brand to Thinglish lifestyle, but it's sort of doing it. I was just looking at the future. So that's about it. I think that's the unboxing of the Melangeur. Hope you like it. We will show you in motion when we get it plugged in and kicked off on another day, but for now it's we've had some rain today for the first time in months and months and months here. Not a lot, but a little bit. So we want to get back outside and do some work outside today. But I just wanted to show you this just before I have my lunch, and then we'll see you on the next one. So stay tuned for our bean to bar chocolate story, and keep in touch, and we'll see you on the next one. Like and subscribe, and it's over and out from here. Take care. Ciao.